International SEO is the branch of SEO devoted to optimizing websites in order for search engines to recognize which country and language your website is targeting. Here are 4 examples of major brands getting international SEO wrong. Number 1. Target.com misses the bullseye in Mexico. Target.com shipped to 3 countries, the US, Canada, and Mexico. However, there is no Spanish version of the website. With only a small fraction, 11.6% of Mexicans speaking English, that's really surprising. This means that Target provides a really poor user experience for 9 out of 10 Mexicans. Target should at least translate strategic areas of their website if they care about Mexican customers. But for now, they're barely visible in Google search results in Mexico. 2. Marks & Spencer gets low marks in Germany. Marks & Spencer is a popular online retailer with over £10 billion in revenue in 2017 alone and have a dedicated version of its website for German users. However, people from Germany typing Mark Spencer in Google receive the English version. 3. Amazon losing money? Amazon suffers from similar issues. Users searching from the United Kingdom or Canada commonly get results from the American version of Amazon. What do users do in such a case? Well, we created a poll to find out. While 45% will scroll to find the UK version, an astonishing 39% will click the ad, which translates to Amazon losing a lot of money. 4. KFC is not so finger-licking good when it comes to Spanish-speaking customers. hreflang tags are a strong hint for Google on which language version to show in Google search results. Everything points to KFC.com having some issues with language targeting due to missing hreflang tags. Their United States branch has their website in 2 languages, English and Spanish. But when Spanish-speaking people type the query KFC in Google, they only get the English version. Things get weirder when a Spanish user searches for KFC in San Jose, California, for instance. They get KFC from other countries. International SEO is a vital component for businesses looking to reach as many markets as possible online. And if major brands like Amazon and KFC can't get it right 100%, how confident are you with your brand?